Hello, I hope you're doing well today. Today we will look at privity of contract. Now what is it? It is the rule that only parties to a contract can enforce the terms of the contract against each other, as well as reap the benefits from therein as well. Why is this important? Well, because they remain safe from any third-party interference. Let's take an example. Jane, a buyer, buys a property from Archie, the seller. Now, within the property, Archie already has a tenant by the name Anne with a one-year lease agreement. However, when Jane buys the property, she decides to let Anne continue to stay and continue to complete the terms of a lease agreement. So let's suppose that Anne at some point of time experiences a water leak. So who does she sue? Does she sue John because she had a contract with him? No, because John is outside of the picture. He's already left and sold the property to Jane. Now, it will depend upon whether Anne has a contract with Jane as the new landlord. If there is a lease agreement which binds Jane to the leak and fixing the leak, then Jane will be obligated to fix the leak. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what is privity of contract. Thank you.